Fascinating facts about Austria, a land of culture, mountains, and history. Austria is a small but incredibly fascinating country located in the heart of Europe. Known for its stunning alpine landscapes, rich musical heritage, and remarkable history, Austria has played a major role in shaping European culture and science. Despite its modest size, the country has produced world-famous composers, influential thinkers, and groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Here are some fascinating facts that reveal why Austria is such an extraordinary place. Austria is one of the most mountainous countries in Europe. About 60% of Austria is covered by the Alps, making it one of the most mountainous countries in Europe. These mountains create breathtaking landscapes filled with snow-capped peaks, green valleys, glaciers, and crystal-clear lakes. Because of this terrain, Austria is a paradise for outdoor activities such as skiing, snowboarding, hiking, mountain climbing, cycling, the Austrian Alps also play an important role in regulating regional climate and water systems across Central Europe. Vienna has been ranked one of the most livable cities in the world. The capital city, Vienna, is frequently ranked among the best cities in the world to live in. International studies evaluating healthcare, education, infrastructure, safety, and environmental quality consistently place Vienna near the top. The city is famous for its elegant architecture, historic palaces, beautiful parks, and world-class public transportation. It also has a long tradition of cafes, where intellectuals, writers, and artists have gathered for centuries. Austria was once the center of a powerful empire. For many centuries, Austria was the political heart of one of Europe's most influential states, the Habsburg Empire. At its peak, the Austro-Hungarian Empire ruled large parts of Central and Eastern Europe, including territories that are now part of Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Croatia, parts of Italy and Ukraine. This historical legacy shaped the cultural diversity and architectural beauty still visible throughout Austria today. Austria is the birthplace of many legendary composers. Austria has made enormous contributions to classical music. Some of the greatest composers in history were born or worked there. Among the most famous are Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Joseph Haydn, Franz Schubert, Johann Strauss II, Mozart, born in the city of Salzburg in 1756, is considered one of the most brilliant musical geniuses of all time. His compositions remain some of the most performed works in classical music. Because of this rich heritage, Austria is often called the capital of classical music. Coffee house culture is a national tradition. Austria has a unique and deeply rooted coffeehouse culture, especially in Vienna. Traditional cafes are places where people relax, read newspapers, discuss ideas, and enjoy desserts. Classic Austrian cafe treats include Sachertorte, a famous chocolate cake. Apfelstrudel, apple strudel. Melange, a popular coffee similar to cappuccino. This cultural tradition is so important that Viennese coffeehouse culture has been recognized as an intangible cultural heritage. Austria is one of the safest countries in the world. Austria consistently ranks among the safest and most stable countries globally. It has low crime rates, a strong healthcare system, and a high standard of living. The country is also politically neutral and has not been a member of any military alliance since the end of World War II, which reflects its long-standing commitment to peace and diplomacy. The Alps influence Austria's climate and environment. The Alps do more than create beautiful scenery. They also shape Austria's climate and ecosystem. Mountain forests help protect against landslides and avalanches, while alpine glaciers and rivers supply important freshwater resources. These water systems feed major European rivers, such as the Danube, which flows through Vienna and several other countries before reaching the Black Sea. Austria has a strong tradition of science and innovation. Despite its small population, Austria has contributed significantly to science and intellectual thought. Famous Austrian thinkers and scientists include Sigmund Freud, the founder of psychoanalysis. Erwin Schrödinger, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist known for quantum mechanics. Gregor Mendel, whose work laid the foundation for modern genetics. Their discoveries continue to influence psychology, physics, and biology today. Austria is a leader in renewable energy. Austria is one of Europe's leaders in renewable energy, particularly hydropower. Because of its many rivers and mountainous terrain, the country generates a large portion of its electricity from water power. This commitment to clean energy helps reduce carbon emissions and protect natural ecosystems. Austria has some of the most beautiful villages in Europe. Beyond its famous cities, Austria is known for charming alpine villages with wooden houses, flower-filled balconies, and dramatic mountain backdrops. Places like Hallstatt, often described as one of the most beautiful villages in the world, attract visitors from across the globe. These villages offer a glimpse into traditional Austrian life, where centuries-old customs and architecture are carefully preserved. Conclusion. Austria may be a relatively small country, but its cultural influence, historical importance, and natural beauty are immense. From the towering Alps and elegant cities to the timeless music of Mozart and the rich tradition of Viennese cafes, Austria continues to captivate visitors and historians alike. With its combination of breathtaking landscapes, scientific contributions, and cultural achievements, Austria remains one of the most fascinating countries in Europe.